let's shift gears once more and consider the kinds of guidance that we receive from on high. When you read the QDR, it's fair to summarize the directives and implications for force management, force generation, the generating force, in the following way. You'll find this mind map really supports a discussion of the force management implications of the QDR. You might find this one to be very handy in F101. And so I won't belabor that point. Except to say, if you take up all the challenges and the directives that come out of the QDR, you might find yourself characterizing the problem as this. The blue dot represents the legacy force, if you will, the conventional Army's capabilities in terms of the range of individual skills that soldiers had to master, and leaders too. The types of echelons that we had to field with conventional battalions, brigades, divisions, and corps, and then the quality of the equipment and the capabilities of the equipment. So if you think about capability on three different axes, you might consider all of the guidance coming out of the QDR to expand our capabilities into the orange dot. In fact, the QDR tells us that our individual soldiers and leaders can no longer afford to be specialists. We have to be pentathletes. We have to be capable across the full spectrum of operations. And we have to be more capable in multiple echelons. The discussions of strategic corporals and nation builders and three-block war all asks units today to do things in both directions, at the lower level and at the higher level, that in the more conventional Army we never had to do before. So the range of requirements on the individual level, on the unit and the individual level, are going broader. At the same time, we're fielding a wider range of equipment, and so the technological challenges of mastering the potential of our new technology is great. At some point, it's fair to say how much of those directives, those assertions, those assumptions that we can do all those things is really hot air, which puts us at risk in reality when we try to have every soldier do everything and be all things to all people. At what point do we exceed the bounds of what's suitable, feasible, acceptable? When does our rhetoric put us at risk? It's fair to ask.